It's our hidden hero and the lifesaver for your car. We're talking about the Underbody Flush at Tommy's Express. Tommy's Express knows car cleaning involves every side of the vehicle, especially the underside. That's why we include an underbody flush in our Works, Ultimate, and Super Wash packages towards the beginning of your journey through the tunnel. Our underbody flush is a gentle spray of water with no added detergents that clears away dirt, road debris, salt, and anything else clinging underneath your car. Left uncleaned, these contaminants can trap moisture, leading to rust. An underbody flush extends the life of your vehicle by helping prevent buildup and damage. It safely washes the underside of all types of vehicles, even low-riding vehicles. Next time you're at Tommy's Express, get the Works, Ultimate, or Super Wash and protect your investment with an underbody flush that completes the clean.